All right, you're here with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles, and today I have one of my personal bikes now that I actually built for a client a few years ago who's no longer with us. His estate sold me back the bike, and I am proud, very proud to present you the Demon Harley Davidson Roadking that we built for one of our clients to his specs. Our client was heavily into black and red. He was a big YouTuber with his Demon when they first came out, so he wanted this bike to have his traditional black and red theme. We actually did the bike here, TOCC Demon bike, one of one. He was the Demon car, was 1146 car built that they made for him. So on this bike we did add the trask turbo kit. You can also see we did some custom powder coating to the rockers and push rods on this bike. So this bike is a traditional Roadkings with saddlebags. You can see I made the side access covers a unique one piece, eliminating the saddlebags. We have a dirty air ride system, both front and rear. It is a quick up system. The swing arm is the air tank on this bike, so it's holding the air for instant up. We have the color matched rotors along with the wheels that are from Renegade Performance. This bike also does feature a 180 wide front 18-inch tire with a custom chin spoiler and a full wrap fender. Also featuring a 13-inch rotor with a 6-piston HHI caliper, also color matched on there. So when you remove one of the calipers, you're still increasing your braking effort by having a 6-piston caliper, a very nice upgrade. We also have some beautiful bars from HHI. These are some 14 or 12-inch, inch and a half wide handlebars. You can also see we do have the turbo trask button up there for easy visibility. Got the Dakota digital gauges that do all your features and everything, such as the factory. Moving on to the back, we have the color matched same aftermarket pulley. We custom made the rear fender and wing to resemble what they do on the Dodge, also resembling the tail light is a custom ghosted in tail light that is incorporated into the rear fender for a very smooth, sleek, representing the bike, trying to bring homage to the Dodge Demon. So this is a unique bike that we put together for one of our clients, all great specs. The bike only has 1,146 miles since we did this whole conversion build. And this is something we're very proud of. It is a bike that I have in my own collection, but it's time to let a few go and move on to a different chapter here at Tricked Out Cycles. So if you would like to own a piece of motorcycle history with the Demon bike into your collection, DM us, give us a call, and it's gonna have a new home soon. So check us out for Tricked Out Cycles for all your motorcycle needs, and possibly you could be the owner of this beautiful Demon Roadking Harley Davidson.